Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, IRiNg BAnbanon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends and to everyone, no? Samahan niyo ako mga guys. Tara na. Let's go travel. That was last year, December. I was spending my Christmas in Europe. I went to Holland, Netherlands, and Amsterdam, and then going to Hamburg, traveled to Berlin, Germany, and then after going to France, I stayed about 3 days and back to Amsterdam. So much fun, really. It's really so much fun there. So it's my dream comes true. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, IRiNg BAnbanon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay. Shalalabangbang. Good night to everyone. Bye.